Good morning, students. Today we are going to do algebraic expressions and identities. Exercise 10.2. Okay. So in question number 6, you have to multiply 4p with 2 minus p square and 8p cube minus 3p. Okay. So first of all, open this bracket. So whenever you will open the bracket, this 4p will be multiplied with both. First with 2 and then with p square. So it will become 4 2 is 8p and this will be 4p cube plus, okay, you have to add it. So plus 8p cube minus 3p. Now add them all. So first of all, for adding you have to write the like terms together. So you can see here also there is p cube and here also there is p cube. So write these together. So minus 4p cube plus 8p cube, and this will be written together because it has p in the end and this also has the same variable p, okay, with the same degree. So we'll write 8p minus 3p. Okay, after that just solve it out. So 8 minus 4 is 4, so that's why 4p cube, and 8 minus 3 is 5, so 5p. So your answer is 4p cube plus 5p. Okay, now here in the next question, question number 7, you have to subtract this from this. So whenever from is written, first of all write the second term first. So it will be written 2z minus x plus y plus z minus this term. So it will be 6x x minus y plus z minus 3y x plus y minus z. Now after this, just open the bracket and multiply all the terms. So it will be 2z minus x, so it will be minus 2xz, then 2zy, so it will be plus 2yz, or we can, this one will be 2z square because here z is twice. Okay, minus, now open this one, so you will get 6x square minus 6xy plus 6xz. Then open this bracket, so it will be minus 3xy minus 3y square plus 3yz. Okay, now after this we'll open this bracket. So here there is minus sign, so all the numbers sign will change. If this is plus, it will become minus. This is minus, it will become plus. So all the signs will be changed. So just write it like that. So here see, all the signs are changed. After that, in the next step, write all the like terms together again. You have to do that thing. So here minus 6x square, because there is no like term, another one, so we write plus 3y square plus 2z square. Now minus 2xz minus 6xz, so these are two like, plus 6xy plus 3xy plus 2yz minus 3yz. Okay, so this will be written like as it is, but after this we can solve it. So minus minus will be plus, so 6 plus 2 will be 8, so minus 8xz, 6 plus 3 will be 9, so 9xy, and here 2yz minus 3yz will be minus yz, so this will be minus yz. So this is your answer. Now come to exercise 10.3. Here you have to multiply this by this. Okay, so we'll write 5x minus 2 multiply 3x minus 4. So what you have to do here, first of all write the first term here and then write this bracket over here. Then again second term here, then write the second bracket again over here. Okay, means this number will be written two times. Means this number will be multiplied to whole term, then this number will also be multiplied with both the terms. After that, just open the bracket like we did here. 5x multiply 3x, 5 3s are 15, so 15x square. 5 4s are 20, so plus 20x. Minus 2 into 3, so minus 2 into 3 will be minus 6x. And here it will be minus 2 multiply 4, that will be 4 2s are 8, minus 8. After that, if there are any like terms, solve it. So see, you can see this is they are like terms. So 20x minus 6x will be 14x. So your answer will be 15x square plus 14x minus 8. Okay, let's move on to the next question. In question number 1, 5 also we have to multiply these two, but they are in decimals. Okay, so again write it like the other one. First write the first term, then write the second bracket, then again write the second term, then again write the second bracket. After that open the bracket. So 1.5 into 1.5 will be, firstly multiply 15 into 15, that will give you 225. Now see how many numbers are there before the decimal. So it is after the decimal. So here it is one number and here it is 1. So 1 1 2. So after two numbers you have to put the decimal. Normally multiply then put the decimal. Okay, this is how we do multiplication in decimals. So it will be 2.25a square. Then this will be 2.5 into 1.5 will be 3.75 ab, and here minus 2.5 into 1.5 will be minus 3.75 ab, and here you will get 2.5 into 2.5 will be minus 6.25 b square. After that you can see these two are different, these two are like terms, and they are both same, so they will cut each other because plus minus, so you'll get a 0 over here. but this will be left, so we'll write this as answer. So 2.25a square minus 6.25b square will be your answer. Next is question number 2. In question number 2, you have to multiply this with this. Again you have to multiply, but here there are 3 terms and there it was 2 terms. Okay, here it was 2 terms, now it is 3. So again you have to write the same thing. So first of all, see which was the smaller one. So write the smaller one first term, then write the first bracket, the whole thing, then write the second term, then write the whole thing. After that, just again normally multiply. X into x will be x square, x into 2y will be minus 2xy, 3 into x will be 3x, 2yx or 2xy, same thing. 2 2s are 4, so minus 4y square, and 3 2s are 6, so plus 6y's. Okay. After this, now see, again write the like terms together or solve the like terms together. So x square will be here only, minus 2xy plus 2xy cut each other, so leave it. 3x is left, write 3x. Then 6y is left, write 6y minus 4y square. This is your answer. In question number 3, part 1, here also you have to multiply, but both have 3 terms in the bracket. So we will multiply 3 times. So first of all, write the first term, then write the second bracket, second term, then the second bracket, third term, third, again the second bracket. After this, just open the bracket, so you will get 6x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 3 minus 15x square, and here you will get 2 to the 4, so minus 4x cube minus 2x square plus 10x, and here you will get minus 2x square minus x, minus will be plus, so plus 5. Okay. After this, write all the like terms together. So first of all, 6x to the power 4. There is no 6x to the power x to the power 4 here, so we'll write this. After this, we'll write x to the power 3. So 3x to the power 3 minus 4x to the power 3. Then minus 15x to the power 2 minus 2x to the power 2 minus 2x to the power 2 plus 10x minus x plus 5. After this, just solve it out. So 6x to the power 4 will be this one only. This 3 minus 4 will be minus 1, so minus x cube. And this, after solving, you will get 15 plus 2 plus 2, that will give you 19. So minus 19x square plus 9x plus 5. Okay, so this is your answer. That's all for today, class. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.